Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam. Today's problem is you have t square minus 5t plus 7 equals 0. You have to find the value of t minus 2 power 21 minus t minus 3 power 21. You have to find the value of this. So how we will solve this question? We will solve this. First of all, make a supposition here. Supposition is that consider t square minus 5t plus 7 equals 0. We can write 7 as 6 plus 1. So t square minus 5t plus 6 plus 1 equals 0. The reason is that we can factorize t square minus 5t plus 6. So that's why we will write this here, t square minus 5t plus 6 that equals minus 1. Now make the factors of 6 such that when they are added gives 5. So t square minus 3t minus 2t plus 6 equals minus 1. Now we can take t as common from this. So when we take t as common, remaining is t minus 3. And then take minus 2 is common from this, remaining is t minus 3 and that equals minus 1. So what are the factors? We get t minus 3 and the t minus 2. So these are the factors. Write this here. We will write t minus 3 and the t minus 2 that equals minus 1. After factorization of this, we will solve this further because we have to find the value of t minus 2 power 21. For this purpose, we will write this as it will become equals t minus 3 that equals minus 1 by t minus 2. Now we will take the power 21 on both sides. So what will happen to this? We get t minus 3 power 21 minus 1 by t minus 2 power is 21. So we get this as, let's consider here a supposition that t minus 2 is y. So we can write this as this equals y. So t minus 3 power 21 and we have minus 1 by t minus 2. So this will become, this is the t minus 2 because we have t minus 2 and in place of minus t minus 3 raised to power 21 we have substituted its value, that is minus 1 by. So this is y power 21 and the next one will be, we will write this as, this will equals 1 by, minus minus will become plus 1 by y power 21 and that equals what? We have to find its value. So now consider as we have y equals t minus 2. That means t minus 2 equals y. That gives us t equals y plus 2. So in place of t we can substitute its value. So t square means we will get y plus 2 square and minus 5t means minus into y plus 2 plus 7. Now apply the formula of a square here. So what will happen to this? We will apply formula here, y plus 2 whole square that equals y square plus 4y plus 4, then minus 5y minus 10 plus 7 that equals 0. This gives us y square plus 4y minus 5y means y square minus y and and we get 7 plus 4 is, it will become 10 minus 4 is 6, minus 6 plus 7 is plus 1. So this equals 0. Now we will solve this further, that when we multiply gives 1 and when we add it, it's also give 1. So this is not possible. For this purpose we will divide both sides by y. So we get y square minus y plus 1 is divided by y, also 0 by y. So this will become y square by y minus y by y plus 1 by y equals 0. So our equation will be y minus 1 plus 1 by y equals 0. Write the value of t here, that t minus 2 is y and t is y plus 2. So we have to solve this equation. Consider this is as equation 1. So write the value of this here, that we get y plus 1 by y equals 1. Now we will take square on both sides. So y plus 1 by y square equals 1, because 1 square is again 1. That means we have to find the value of, by opening square, what will we get? We get y square plus 1 by y square plus 2 equals 1, which implies y square plus 1 by y square equals minus 1. Then again take square on both sides. So we get y4 plus 1 by y4 plus 2, that equals 1. Again it will be minus 1. So y4 plus 1 by y4 gives minus 1. So you have to find the value of 21. Now again take the cube of this. So again take the cube of this. So y plus 1 by y cube equals 1 cube. That gives y plus y cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into a plus b. A plus b, ab means you have y plus 1 over y, and that equals 1. So y plus 1 over y is 1. So y cube plus 1 by y cube equals 1 minus 3. That gives minus 2. So write y cube plus 1 by y cube equals minus 2. This gives you minus 2. Now you have to find the value of 27. So how we will solve this further to get the value of 27? We will solve this as, we will multiply both the equations, this one and this one, y4 plus 1 by y4, that equals minus 1. And this result is also used, y plus 1 over y, that is 1. So by utilizing all these results, we will get y cube plus 1 by y cube into y4 plus 1 by y4 equals minus 2 into minus 1. That gives y7, then plus y plus 1 by y7, then plus 1 over y equals 2. After this, we have the value of y plus 1 over y is 1. So y7 plus 1 over y7 equals 1. Now take its cube, because 2 minus 1 will be 1. So by taking the cube of this, we will get our answer. Again take the cube of this. We get y7 cube plus 1 over y7 cube plus 3 into y7 into 1 by y7, and the y7 plus 1 by y7 equals 1. So which implies we have y power 21 plus 1 by y power 21 plus 3, that equals 1. So y power 21 plus 1 by y power 21 gives 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So we have answer of this y21. Now we will substitute in this value of y equals t. So y is t minus 2, substitute in this equation. So you have t minus 2 power 21, and this will be t minus 3 power 21, and that equals minus 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.